So hello everyone, I am uploading my videos frequent this month because I don't want you to get bored of my channel. My exams are over, so I'm free, I don't have anything to do. So today I'm going to show you how you can use dodge and burn to contour the face of your portraits in very simple steps. So without any ado, let's get started.
Double cup, become straight, holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui. I check the bitch like I'm.
So here we are back in the magical world of Photoshop, and as you can see I have imported my picture already. So let's begin with the dodge and burn. First we will go to curves adjustment layer over here. We select curves. So first we will create the dodge layer. So for that, just take the midpoint and just push it up. When you push it up, you will see a lot of brightening is happening. It's okay, we will manage that later. Close this tab and click the right side of this tab, this curves tab. When you click it, you will find this layering blending options. So this is known as blend if. So what we do is we take the underlying layer, we take the left side slider and drag it to the right side. Now see, whenever you find it's doing a good job for the highlights, just stop there. When you stop there, just click press the alt button and click this slider to make it a little more gradual and even, like this. You see, it's getting more even. There you go, perfect. I know this is a bit too much, but we will drag the opacity later. Okay, now rename this layer as dodge. Now I know this is not the spelling of dodge, but yeah, it's a short form to make me understand. So again, turn the visibility of this dodge layer off right now. Click the underlying layer and click and go for another curves layer. Curves. Now you drag this curve layer down, not up, down. As you can see, it is darkening. Now similar thing, just press the right side, double click on the right side of this curves one layer, like this. Now drag the underlying layer slider from right to left, like this. As you can see, it is removing the layer from the brighter areas and only focusing on the darker areas. I think this is it. So press the alt button and click to make it a little more gradual. I think this is perfect. A little bit more this side. This is nice. Hit OK. Rename this layer as burn. This is nice. Okay, now we need to drag down the opacity. For doing that, just I'll go for 30%. No, I guess 20% for burn, and for dodge we'll go for 30% because burn makes the skin tone much darker. So let's group these layers. Sorry, wait, this has turned into 100% again. So let's just put it to 20%. No, 30%. Yep, that's cool. Now just see the before and after. This is the before, this is the after. You see so much of dimension in this picture. This is the main work of the dodge and burn process for contouring the face. You see, it adds on a dimension. So here you go, this is the final process. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share it with your friends if you find it useful and want them to know this too. And I will see you in the next video soon. Thank you.